Don't paint trees with watercolor. Paint trees with watercolor to explore. That's a very different mindset. I'm not here trying to make a finished piece of art. I'm using watercolor mixed with crayon, collage, even acrylics and graphite to experiment. Because this is where growth happens. This is where things get interesting. This is where you stop painting what's expected and start creating something that's unique and yours. Now, yeah, some people will look at this and say, that's a waste of materials. That's expensive paper. Those are just sketches. And that's fine. If that's your mindset, this probably isn't for you. But I can only tell you this. This is where I have found a tremendous amount of freedom. This is where I discovered new ideas, new techniques, and new ways to see things. I've done it the other way too. I've chased styles. I've tried to paint like other artists. And honestly, it wasn't that enjoyable because to me, making art is emotion mixed with fundamentals and technique. And the more I explore, the more freedom I find. And the more freedom I find, the more expressive, original, and creative the work becomes. And at the end of the day, it's a hell of a lot of fun. So my advice is stop painting watercolor trees. Use it as a means to explore what's possible. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to follow me for more. Thanks for watching.